Excellency, APCAM Captain Sakumeni. It's Mrs. Naela or Noela?
Naila, like the river.
The spelling is Noel or Nael?
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mrs. Naila Chauhan, High Commissioner Designate of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan to the Republic of Fiji.
I present you greetings of my president, and I bring the letters of my presence addressed to you by His Excellency, the President of Pakistan, to your Excellency, and I also present to you the letters of reform of the Excellency.
Excellency, I have the honor to accept your letters of credits from the President, as well as letters of recall of the predecessor. I trust that you will have a pleasant tour of duty of our country. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the government, and the people of Pakistan our continuing good wishes for Pakistan and for the people and the government of Pakistan. Welcome to Fiji.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
Madam, congratulations.
Thank you.
Look forward to seeing you again. Okay.